Hi everyone, welcome to Classmate Academy. Today in this session we are discussing the chapter 1 of Indian Geography, that is General Introduction part 3. See, already we discussed 60 questions and today we are going to discuss the remaining questions. So up to around 45 questions we are going to discuss today. So let's discuss. See here, which state of India has the largest area? See, at least you should be in a position to remember top 3 or 4 states regarding the areas. So the top is, first one is Rajasthan. First one is the Rajasthan. Then after Rajasthan, you are having Madhya Pradesh, then Maharashtra, and then Uttar Pradesh, UP. So these are the top 4 states you try to remember for the exam. In this case, your answer is Rajasthan regarding area. Which of the following Indian states, which state does not have any maritime boundary? See here, you know that Gujarat is having a land boundary with Pakistan. Goa is having a maritime boundary. Rajasthan, yes, it is having a land boundary with Pakistan. Again, your answer is Maharashtra. Which of the following Indian states, which states does not have any maritime boundary? Obviously, your answer is Rajasthan will not have any maritime boundary because Gujarat will have both land as well as maritime boundary. Goa, maritime boundary. Maharashtra, maritime boundary. Next one, the largest UT of India is. See, this is the old question. So as of now, the largest UT with respect to area is Ladakh, that is of top, then followed by Jammu Kashmir, second, and third one is Andaman Nicobar. In this case, your answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands with respect to area. But this is the 2011 question, but Ladakh was formed in the year 2019. So Ladakh is the as of now. Which is the largest state area-wise in India? Again, same question repeated. Your answer is Rajasthan. Which state in India has the largest coastline? Again, I already said in the previous classes, you need to remember Gujarat, that is 12-14 kilometers, followed by Andhra Pradesh, that is the second largest. So your answer is Gujarat, that is the option 3 is the answer. Next, which of the following states are together called as 7 sister states? Your northeastern states, complete northeastern states are called as sister states. So check with this, you are having West Bengal, so option A is wrong. Here also we are having West Bengal, so it is also wrong. And see, the first one is Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. Okay, and you see the fourth option, Tripura, Meghalaya, you are having what? Orissa. It is also wrong. So your answer is option 1. Tripura, Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram, they are called as sister states because before all the states used to have only single land mass, that is Assam. Then from Assam, you can see these states were formed called as sister states. At Barren Island, the only active volcano in India is situated. This is very, very important. Obviously, you know, Barren Island is present here in the middle Andaman part. But the question is Andaman, Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Minicoy. See, Minicoy is the largest island of Lakshadweep. Then Lakshadweep itself is an archipelago, that is group of islands. Then Nicobar Islands, you can see these are Nicobar Islands. Then your answer is Andaman Islands. Your answer is option 1. Not only here, you remember that present near which Andaman, whether it is a North Andaman, Middle Andaman, South Andaman or Little Andaman, that is also very important for the exam. Focus on that area also. Next, which of the following state is surrounded by Bangladesh from 3 sides? Very, very important and many times repeated question. See the word, which state is covering with 3 sides? 3 means 3 Tripura, that's it. 3 sides means Tripura is easily can try or 3. For example, you can see here in this image, this is the Bangladesh, this is the where you can see Tripura. So this Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh in the north, in the west as well as in the south. It is surrounded by Bangladesh. So Tripura, 3 sides with Bangladesh. Remember like that. Next, arrange the following cities in the order from north to south. See, is asking from north to south. So obviously, you know, Bhubaneswar, Orissa, obviously there is the top. So 1. After Bhubaneswar, you are having Hyderabad, Telangana. So 3. The next one is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. 2. 4. Cochin, Kerala. So your answer is 1, 3, 2, 4. That is option 1 is the answer. Here also you can see 1 is Bhubaneswar. Here you can see. Then followed by Hyderabad. Then followed by you are having what? Chennai, and Cochin is present in your Kerala. So again, your answer is this is the sequence. Next. Raipur is the capital of which Indian state? You know, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Dhonivai, Goa, Panaji, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Obviously, your answer is Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Which of the following is known as Pearl City? Okay, so obviously Hyderabad is called as Pearl City. The seventh Nizam, called as Usman Ali Khan, who is having a great interest in trading the precious metals as well as precious items. So he gave more importance to even Pearl as well, even though Hyderabad is not having any coast. So your answer is Hyderabad is called as Pearl City. The famous tourist center Mahabalipuram is located. Obviously, it is located near Chennai. Next, the Wheeler Island has been renamed as. Actually, this is a current affair question which was asked in the year 2016. So obviously, it was renamed as the Indian Missile Man, called as Abdul Kalam Island. Okay, so he played a very crucial role regarding the missile program, Indian missile program. So obviously, Wheeler Island is present near Orissa, where it is used to test various missiles. So actually, it is a testing range. Wheeler Island is a missile testing island. So because Abdul Kalam is the missile man of India, so obviously they renamed this Wheeler Island as Abdul Kalam Island because of contribution to the missile program, guided missile development program. Next, the Ganga Brahmaputra basin lies in between what latitudes? Your answer is 10 and 30. You can see here, you have to remember this. This is the 30 latitude. You can see this is the 30. Okay, around 30 will have. Then obviously you're having 10. So in between 10 and 30. So your answer is this one. Next, the 90-degree east meridian does not passes through. So the 90-degree east meridian does not passes through. You can see here 90 degrees east meridian, that is there. So Sikkim, your answer is Shillong. It is not at all passing through Meghalaya. So your answer is Meghalaya. You can see it is touching with Bhutan, and some part will touch with the Sikkim also. Again, it is passing through Bangladesh as well. So your answer is Meghalaya. Next, through which of the following states does Tropic of Cancer run? So obviously all are northeastern states. All are northeastern states. Through which of the following states does the Tropic of Cancer run? Your answer is Mizoram. Because in northeastern states, there are two states where this particular Tropic of Cancer run. One is Tripura, other one is Mizoram. One is Tri, other one is MI. So remember like that. LAC, line of actual control, is the effective border between India and which country? Obviously, you can see here, LAC is between India and China. Okay, you know that there is a war between India and China in the year 1962. So you can see this is the area occupied by China, and line of control is a border between India and Pakistan. So LAC is between India and China, LOC is between India and Pakistan. So remember that. So obviously in this case your answer is China. Which Indian state is surrounded by Bangladesh in north, west and south? Already I said tri means three. Okay, on three sides you take north, west and south. It is covered by Bangladesh. Answer is Tripura. That is asked in CHSL 2021. Very recent question. Next, India and Sri Lanka are joined by a group of islets forming what? See, you can see these islets. This is the India and Sri Lanka. You're having a lot of islets. One is Mahatma Gandhi Setu. There is a river bridge asking. Bhusban Hazarika Bridge. No. Adams Bridge. So your answer is Adams Bridge. You can see here. This is the Adams Bridge. So you can see this is the Adams Bridge that you are having. Even Pamban Island. You can see the Pamban Island also, where the Rameshwaram is present, which is the part of your bridge as well. So it is also very, very important. The group of islands which form part of India and lie to the southeast of the Indian mainland in Bay of Bengal. So it's asking about southeast. Lakshadweep, it becomes your southwest. So this is wrong. So your answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Again, Mannar Islands, Gulf of Mannar between India and Sri Lanka. Again, Maldives, you know that it is also present in the southwest part of India. Next, which of the following cities is the farthest from southernmost tip of mainland of India? Warangal, present in Telangana. Bangalore, Karnataka. Kodaikanal, Tamil Nadu. Obviously, Nanded in Maharashtra. So your answer is Nanded in Maharashtra. Okay, Kodaikanal, Palani Hills of Tamil Nadu, where you can see this Kodaikanal. Obviously, Bengaluru in Karnataka, you can see this in the Bengaluru Plateau region. Again, Warangal, which is a part of Telangana Plateau. Telangana Plateau itself is a part of Deccan Plateau region. Right. Next. What is the total area of state of Goa? See, it is very important because Goa is the smallest state in India. So you need to remember the area as well as like Rajasthan. Okay. Similarly, you have to remember for this also. Your answer is 3702 kilometer square. Next. Which among the following states does not share its boundary with Orissa? See, now SSC started asking this kind of questions because if you see this question is 2020. So from 2020 onwards, see, they started asking this type of questions. Please try to focus on this kind of questions, very important. For example, this is the Orissa state. So obviously, Orissa is having a boundary with West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So in this case, your answer is Bihar. Okay, you're having Chhattisgarh. Okay, you can see Chhattisgarh. Okay, in the western side. Again, Jharkhand, you can see on the north, West Bengal, northeast region, you can see Andhra Pradesh in the south. And out of all the districts, some important districts are there regarding Orissa. One is Puri, very important district. And you can see one more lake is called as Chilka Lake, largest lagoon lake. Here you can see this is the Chilka Lake, very important. There is one more river called as Rushitilia River that is passes through this Ganjam coast, where olive ridley turtles. There is a sanctuary also where the olive ridley turtles will come for breeding. Okay, it's very important. Even Cuttack is also very important, from where Mahanadi river will flows. So these are the important districts of Orissa regarding your exam. So go through them, whatever that are important. Next, Gajapati also very important, which is having a part of your Andhra Pradesh. Gajapatis of Orissa. There is even dynasty also that started ruling here. Next. With which neighboring country does Gujarat share its border? So with neighboring country they are asking Gujarat. Obviously it is with Pakistan, not Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, not possible. Your answer is Pakistan. Next, which of the following Indian state does not share its boundary with Nepal? So again, this kind of question you can see. Obviously your answer is Assam, because here you can see Nepal, Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar. Here you can see West Bengal as well. You can see West Bengal this part, and again Sikkim. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 states are border with Nepal, but not your Assam. See, this is where the Assam will start. So Assam will have boundary with Bhutan and Bangladesh. Okay. Next. Which of the following is not a northeastern Indian sister states? Now we discussed already sister states. Which one is not? He is saying. Obviously, Odisha is not. Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura, all forms your sister states in the northeast region. Which among the following is a western coast island? So they are asking the coast, western coast. For example, you see Pamban Island. Again, these islands present between India and Sri Lanka. Elephanta, yeah, this is the answer. It is the coast of Mumbai, west coast of Mumbai. You can see Elephanta Island, which is very famous for caves. Other one is Parikud. Other one is Sriharikota. Again, Sriharikota is very important, where it's a missile launching center that is present in the Pulicat Lake. Okay, Pulicat Lake. It is present in Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, particularly Nellore district. Okay, in the Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh, you can see a Pulicat Lake, where this island called as Sriharikota Island is present. Okay, so these are very important islands. Remember. Next. Again, Parikud and all, okay, Maldives and all, not our India. Which of the following state does not share its boundary with Madhya Pradesh? Previously we saw Orissa in the same session. Now we are seeing with Madhya Pradesh also. So try to take this image. So you can see in the Madhya Pradesh, you can see this region. You are having what? Gujarat. Okay. Here it is starting with what? Rajasthan. Here you are having what? Uttar Pradesh. On the southern side, Maharashtra. On the southeast, you are having Chhattisgarh. And here also you can see Jharkhand as well. So very important. Obviously your answer is Orissa, because Orissa is here. Okay, this is the Orissa, which is completely away from your Madhya Pradesh. So remember this image, very important, because even Madhya Pradesh at the center belongs to Madhya Bharat. So Gujarat, Rajasthan, UP, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra. So try to remember all these states. What is the approximate length of India's coastline including island territories? I already said it is 7,500 kilometers. So 7,500 forms your entire coast, out of which 6,100 is your mainland, and around 1400 will be your islands. This is regarding islands, and this is regarding your mainland coastal boundary. Next, where is Havelock Island popularly tourist destination? It's a very popular tourist destination. It is present in your Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Very popular destination because there are very beautiful beaches you can see. One is called as Radhanagar Beach, Elephant Beach, that also you can see here. Govindnagar Beach, Vijayanagar Beach, Kalapattar Beach, all these are very important. They will ask in the exam, where is Elephant Beach is present, okay, or where is Kalapattar Beach is present. So they all are this kind of questions. So even go through these beaches as well in the Havelock Island, which is present in Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar Islands comprise about dash islands. So somewhere around 572 islands are present. Very static question. Go through that. Dash is the largest union territory of India in terms of area. This question is asked in 2021. Means which is after the Ladakh became the union territory. And so the answer is obviously Ladakh. So I gave the table, the recent table. So remember this. The largest as of now is Ladakh. Second largest is Jammu and Kashmir. And the smallest area is with the Lakshadweep with only 32 square kilometers. Okay, and population wise, obviously your answer will be Delhi, around 1.6 crore at 2011 census. So go through this table. You are having capital cities of all union territories, then followed by which year they formed, population is given, area is given. So take a screenshot and preserve it. So use it for revision. Next. Which of the following state does the capital India Delhi shares the border with? Again, in this session only we saw, again this question is 2021. In the 2020, I already said that he started asking the border with the Madhya Pradesh. In 2021, now he is asking the border with Delhi, and the previous question was Orissa as well. You know Delhi here, it's obviously forming border with UP and Haryana, you can see. For example, Gurugram, okay, very important, Sonpet, all this from Haryana. Again, Ghaziabad and all from your UP side. So your answer is, does the capital of India share? Your answer is Haryana. Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan is wrong. These three wrong. Only Haryana. You can see this Haryana, very important. Even Delhi sandwich between your UP and Haryana. Next, which of the following islands are located in the Bay of Bengal? Obviously, your answer is Andaman and Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, Minicoy, again, this is the largest island in Lakshadweep, present in Arabian Sea, Diu Daman, same. Your answer is Andaman and Nicobar. Next one, which of the following lines separate Pakistan and Afghanistan? That is your Durand line. McMahon line, India and China. Ratcliffe, India and Pakistan. Durand, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Which of the following waterways separates India and Sri Lanka? This is asked in CGL 2022. Obviously, your answer is Palk Strait. Already discussed many times. I think we discussed around 5 to 6 times till now. Next one. With which of the following countries does India not share a land border? Obviously, your answer is Sri Lanka. We are having a maritime border, but Bangladesh, China and Myanmar, we are having land border. Bhutan shares its border with which of the following states of India? See here, Bhutan. See here, Bhutan, already I said, very important. It's asking sharing border with which of the following states? Obviously, Arunachal Pradesh is there. Yes. Assam is there. Okay. Then Bhutan is sharing with West Bengal. Yes. Your answer is Sikkim. So, answer option A is the answer. So, you can see here, Sikkim. You can see West Bengal, Assam, again Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. These are the 4 states, remember. Next, which country is separated from India by Gulf of Mannar? Again, same thing, India with the Sri Lanka. Which of the following are the 2 island neighbors of India? It is asking about island neighbors of India. Obviously, Maldives and Sri Lanka are the island neighbors. Even Taiwan, Singapore, New Zealand and Maldives, okay, which is inappropriate. So, your answer is option A. So, these are 105 questions we discussed so far regarding the chapter 1 in Indian geography. In the next class, we will come with a new chapter of all the previous questions from 1997 to 2023. Thank you.